Hello everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Hoot and Friends if you've been following this series, and welcome if you are new here. Today we will be tracing and writing the uppercase and lowercase letter K, and tracing the words keys and kite together. Grab your pencil or marker and let's get started. We will start with the uppercase K. Let's begin at the top and trace a straight vertical line down to the bottom. Now we will go back up to the top and to the right and begin tracing a diagonal line to the middle of the straight vertical line. And from that diagonal line, we will trace another diagonal line going down toward the right. Now we will practice writing the uppercase K without the guidance of the tracing dots. Next, we will trace the lowercase k. Similar to the uppercase K, we will start at the top and trace a straight vertical line down to the bottom. Now we will go back up just a little above the midline on the right and begin tracing the diagonal line to the straight vertical line. And from that diagonal line, we will trace another diagonal line going down to the right. Now we will practice writing the lowercase k without the guidance of the tracing dots. Next, we will trace the words kite and keys.